Hey everyone, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com, and this is the Bobby from English Laundry. If you need a super dressy boot that's going to look great with pretty much any type of wardrobe, then this is the boot for you. This awesome Bobby boot is made out of a smooth leather upper with a shiny pattern to it there. It's got reinforced stitch detailing throughout to make it super durable, and it has a pull tab on the back to help get them on just a little bit easier. It does have a thinly laced lace up there with some metal eyelets for easy customization, but it has a zipper on the side of the boot just so you can get these on a little bit easier. You don't have to worry about fighting with those laces every single time. It has a stacked heel on the back, and it has a leather and synthetic lining for plenty of comfort and breathability in the shoe, with a cushiony footbed on the very bottom. On the outside here, it's got a synthetic outsole that is pretty stretchy and flexible. With that stacked heel, as I said before, it's got a great tread on the front and the heel to make sure your feet are firmly planted on the ground. Some might tell you that boy ain't right, but you'll be right when you're wearing these awesome boots. They're from English Laundry.